Everyone, welcome to Simon 2. Today Simon going to do fix the Makita 40 volt drop saw, and it had the problem with the it's called the guide lock to stop the blade wobbling. So basically for someone who got a new saw and they've been turned too hard and this one broken, this edge is broken and cannot be holding the blade that's wobbling up and down. So what I do, so here is the saw that we're gonna replace this one from Makita, and it will be in this knob here turning, and then in the gear will be along here. When it turn this one and it will be locked, and it pulled in and lock this one, so stop the saw wobbling like that. Okay, so what I do is open up and replace it today, and we'll show you. This is new saw, and I don't know how much it costs. Okay, this is new saw, I don't know how much it costs. And okay, number 17 socket. Open up the back one. Okay, and get yourself a needle. Like that. Grab yourself a magnet. Okay, and you see the guy, yellow guy on each one. Take it up. That yellow guy here, take it up. And metal, plastic, metal, and bearings. Put it away. All we do now is lift it up. Pull it out. It's ready. And leave it there. Put it in the corner. So we don't have to worry about that one. So we worry about this one today, okay? Okay, for this case, and this case, okay, there's the line. We have to take up this one and take up this one, and then we can move it out. But how are we gonna move it out first? Tell me. That one and two, yeah. And this one. So we have to strip everything out and make sure that the line is got the line here, so that means easy. All we do is just take it up because this one already got the line, the mark here, so it's straight. So you don't have to worry about the recalibration when you put it back. So this is a good thing about this one. So don't worry about the recalibration, okay? There. Okay, all we do is just lift up like that. Put away. Okay, we take this one out, leave it there, take this one out, leave it there, and go. See, it's very light. You feel how light it is. Later, that's much light. You have to put them on, so it's easy for them to move the plate and changing the angle. Number 13, go in there. All you do is just take it out, Okay, just like that, and remember it's got a little washer, bearing washer. Okay, put it here separately. All we do is just lift it up. For the basement, put all numbers so separate. Okay. Take it up, and remember this one go together. We go in one side, and this one we put this one out. That's all we need, and this one leave it there, and we clean it later. Okay, too much dust. See? This saw is brand new, but they've been just using just for not for long, and it's broken, and you see a lot of dust. And yeah, they should have the blower blow them up. All we need is this part, and enter your hand in to this part. So very simple. You just take up this one and replace this one there, and we're done. Okay, and all this one. Nice, we'll clean it later. And this one, when you press it, it's going This one dirty too. This is for pulling down the pin there. Anyway, we open up this one. Very easy, not hard. Take this one up, this one up. All we do is just lift that one out and lift up this one. Okay, we still have one more here. One more here, put it there. One more here, put it there. Okay, we check it out this way, and we still have to one more. One. Okay, right there. Okay, now all we have to do is lift up and get the new one using this one again. Put it exactly in, but see this one broken and missing this one. Okay, very quickly undo that and put this one, throw away. Whatever you want to do, we slide this one in like that, and slide this one in like that. Okay, just like that, and then we put this one in. And then all we do is just turn it. And this little washer, this is the one that going around here. That's to pull in and to stop the thing wobbling. And if you turn too hard, it's really broken. This bolt holding here is very weak. Okay, very weak. So don't turn too hard. Okay, otherwise you broke again. Original place, and we build it right. Okay, all bolt is the same size. What we do is bolt them on. Very simple, okay? Very simple, and you can do it yourself, man. Go to Makita factory and order one. Order this one and put them on, okay? Not hard at all. Okay, done. Mostly everything. And this one go that way, and this one go this way like that. Okay, just like that. Okay. First thing first. Okay, this one go down like that. What we do is this one. See little plates here. Gotta go in first. It got grease, but you know why? What the grease here for? Everything go down here. They turn into dust and they grip you more. So grease sometimes good, but sometimes it's bad. Yep, this one go on like that, and all we do is just put this one here and this one here together. So here we go. This one in. Okay, we put the bolt on. Okay, we put the bolt on. And this one. Put the bolt on this one, and that one. Okay, we put this one there. Gotta be 4 bolts and 2 bolts, 4 bolts. First we put this one on to lock it. Too hot. So no open, so good. Too hot. So too hot. Okay, it's good. Okay, no wobbling. Bolt down, and we put the before we tie this one down, we have to do real alignment for these 2 rails when it's angle, and we put into the we have to bolt it down to 90-degree angle, so it lock it here for 90 degrees, and follow the rail. We get the ruler, and before we tie this one down to correct the angle, what we do is these 4 bolts here go in and tight this one still, so still that around here, so that means it doesn't make a very good level. Make sure no dust on this one, and it will level itself up. All we do is just hit them straight on, and again the wall as much as you can, bolt it on. That's it. And okay, that's it. And that's it. Okay, this will be 90-degree angles. See, 90-degree angles, huh? If we turning, if we see this one in angle, see 90 angles, and then okay, 90 angle now, and you should see if it's 90 angle here and angle there, and now you will see if it's straight there, go down here, and it got in 0, that means it's correct. See, that means you got it right there. What we do is bolt it down because it's in the target of angle. Put this one in, and then we put the complete the blade, okay, like this. All we do is put them on, but careful where we like this one. Have to try to get the little guard. See the one that we got right? Just make sure it go through the little hole there. See, that's how it's fit in. See the one we just put in. And what we do is this one will come in last. So what I do is okay, we slide them on. We slide this one on first. All we do is just bolt them in now, right? And if we can turn, oh shit, it's hard like that. What we do is just turn out a little bit, so make it easy for movement. Yeah, sometimes people see it hard, sometimes people see it easy. It's alright, for me it's alright. It's a bit tricky, but when you feel like this, it's freedom. When you feel like this, it's good for someone who wants to release. Just go like that, and like that, okay? Okay, good. So go like that. So 90-degree angle here, 90 degrees here. And you want to do a recalibration. Go here, and you see the blade, you go there. You see correct. If the blade here correct here and correct here, that means down here is 90 degrees. See, that's how you recalibration. So you make sure when you put it back, and got to be square. And again, along the blade here and along here, it will correct, and it should be down here in 90. So should be square, and down here the locking in 90 degrees. So that's good. Okay, we put the one down, and all we do is on the back here, it's got a little pin. Undo this one, and then we can put that one in. Okay, we do this one, do this one, and take this one out. Bolt, okay, that's how it is. And this one here, and this one is go in there somewhere. So it locks somewhere here. So it go down here. So what we do is just go there on the knobs here. Just turn on the knob till it go in. So it not go in. So we have to go. So you go backward. Try to get in line. Yep, it go in. So that's how it should lock. See the group here. So it should lock. The when it go and squeeze this one on, and it lock the thing and stop the blade turning or wobbling when you changing angles. See? Okay, that's how it is. And what we do is this one in. Very simple. Okay. Should be simple for everyone. Yeah, you should know how to do this one now. Next time, just undo this one came in last, and then bolt it on. Okay. And now we can put this cover back on. And we are bingo. We are bingo, brother. See? This is first time I replaced it. And this is the new model, so I didn't know. I don't know. I never opened one of this one before. It's so new for me. Okay, turn it around. But I show you how it works. Why we have to replace this one? We go in there. So what it do is, see, when you are trying to do different angle, you see this one. If someone wants to go odd angle, or even number, or odd angles, so they want to go that way. See, the blades is wobbling. So what they do is they just tie it in and they holding. See, not wobbling. And then when they run it, they release it. They can do see, and then lock it. See, lock, undo, move, lock, and stay there itself without moving. See, that's how it should work. But some boy, they have too much muscle. When they turn into gear like this to here, they have too much muscle. And if they turn too hard, it broke the little snap, the bolt that holding the guide. So it's no good. If you have too much muscle, release some muscle. And you want to put back, turn, go back, and go like that. And you want to lock it, just lock it. Okay. Okay, done. And this one, just go like and turn. Okay, when you got in there, you want to lock it, and then you can't turn it. But if you want to turn it and go like that and lock it, undo it and lock it, done. Okay, put the guide back on, and my mission is complete.